This is Harry Vocal, the sound of Australia, the voice off the street. Labor's new immigration policy. If it isn't bad enough that so many of you out there fell for this clown show called Albanese, Wong, Burke and Bowen and the like, with their crazed Marxist ideals, that now every year he's bringing in 200,000 migrants, mainly migrants who don't like you or the country and refuse to assimilate. There's nowhere for them to live. They're going to build millions of houses, and at this stage, after 4 years, they've built 17. Meanwhile, we have single mothers, through no fault of their own, ended up unfortunately divorced, living on the street in cars or caravan parks or tents. And you have this group of migrants who come in here, as I said, who refuse to assimilate, who are given automatic housing straight away, funding, and I've just done some research, and the great majority of them don't work and never will. And yet you Aussies out there just keep buying it, and as usual keep sitting around waiting for someone else to fix it. This is Harry Vocal.